everyone, welcome to my channel. The Duryea Motor Wagon of 1893 holds a landmark position in the history of the American automobile. Recognized as the first gasoline-powered vehicle built in the United States, the Duryea Motor Wagon was the brainchild of brothers Charles and Frank Duryea, whose innovative spirit laid the foundation for what would become a transformative industry. In an era dominated by horse-drawn carriages and steam-powered machines, the Duryea brothers envisioned a self-propelled, gasoline-powered vehicle that could change how Americans traveled and worked. Their efforts culminated in the creation of a machine that not only ran but also sparked the development of the American automotive industry. The development of the Duryea Motor Wagon began in Springfield, Massachusetts, where Charles Duryea, a bicycle mechanic and inventor, began experimenting with internal combustion engines. He was soon joined by his mechanically gifted brother, Frank. Together, they repurposed a used horse-drawn buggy, fitting it with a single-cylinder 4-horsepower gasoline engine. The vehicle featured friction transmission, spray carburetor, and low-tension ignition, technologies that were rudimentary but groundbreaking for the time. In 1893, after much trial and error, the brothers successfully tested their first working model on the streets of Springfield. It marked the dawn of a new age in transportation. The success of the prototype led the Duryea brothers to formalize their ambitions. In 1895, they founded the Duryea Motor Wagon Company, the first American company to build and sell gasoline-powered automobiles. This was a pivotal moment, as it transitioned the automobile from a mechanical curiosity into a product accessible to the public. That same year, the Duryea Motor Wagon gained national attention by winning the Chicago Times-Herald race, America's first-ever motor vehicle competition. Out of 6 entrants, the Duryea was the only vehicle to complete the 54-mile race from Chicago to Evanston and back, showcasing its reliability and performance under harsh winter conditions. This victory cemented the Duryea's place in history and proved that gasoline-powered vehicles were a viable mode of transportation. What set the Duryea Motor Wagon apart was not just its technical design, but its symbolic impact. It demonstrated American ingenuity and set the stage for mass production techniques that would later be perfected by Henry Ford. Though the Duryea brothers eventually went their separate ways, and the company did not sustain long-term commercial success, their contributions were essential. The motor wagon's design directly influenced early automotive engineering, and their public demonstrations helped to build public trust in this new form of transportation. Today, the original Duryea Motor Wagon is preserved in museums and remains a treasured artifact of American innovation. It is studied by automotive historians and celebrated by classic car enthusiasts as a pioneering achievement. The story of the Duryea brothers serves as a reminder of the power of vision, perseverance, and mechanical skill in shaping the future. More than just a vehicle, the Duryea Motor Wagon was a bold declaration that the world was changing and that America would be driving that change forward. For anyone fascinated by the roots of modern mobility, the tale of the Duryea Motor Wagon is both inspiring and essential, marking the humble yet revolutionary beginning of the American automobile era.